Upbeat music fades in, setting a lively tone as animated graphics showcase a brain transforming into a flourishing stack of gold coins, with vibrant stock charts dancing in the background. The camera cuts to the host, clad in a casual green polo shirt, who beams at the audience with an inviting smile. Hello, moneymakers. Welcome back to Money Minutes, where we turn everyday finance into actionable wins. I'm your friendly money coach, and today we're diving into a game-changing topic. Investing in skills. Why your brain is your best financial asset. While many chase after the latest hot stocks or trendy real estate, let me share a secret. The highest return investment isn't found in the market. It's right inside your head. Stick around because by the end of this episode, you'll understand why neglecting this investment could cost you millions. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell for your weekly dose of wealth-building wisdom. Let's get started. All right, moneymakers, let's kick things off by understanding why your brain is the ultimate investment vehicle. When we talk about the market, we often fixate on numbers, charts, and trends. But the truth is, the most valuable asset you have is your ability to learn, adapt, and innovate. Think about it. Every successful entrepreneur, investor, or leader you admire didn't just rely on luck or market timing. They leveraged their knowledge and skills to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. Research shows that individuals who continuously invest in their education and skill development tend to outperform their peers financially. This isn't just about formal education either. It's about cultivating a growth mindset, staying curious, and being open to new ideas. Skills like critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and digital literacy are becoming increasingly essential in today's economy. So, how does this translate into real wealth? Well, when you invest in your skills, you're essentially increasing your earning potential and creating multiple streams of income. Whether it's learning a new trade, enhancing your negotiation skills, or mastering financial literacy, each skill you acquire is like adding another tool to your financial toolbox. Remember, the market can be volatile and unpredictable, but your brain, when nurtured and developed, can provide a steady path to financial success. By focusing on your personal development, you're not just preparing for the next market shift. You're future-proofing your financial journey. Now, let's explore some specific skills that can help you build this intellectual capital and set you on the path to financial freedom. Host. Now let's dive deeper into why your brain truly stands out as a financial asset. Imagine waking up every day knowing that the skills you possess are not just static, they're dynamic and ever-growing. Unlike stocks that can plummet due to unforeseen circumstances, your knowledge and abilities are resilient. They adapt to market changes and continue to evolve. For instance, think about the rapid advancements in technology. By investing in your brain, you're equipping yourself with the tools to navigate these shifts, ensuring that you remain relevant and valuable in the workforce. Let's consider the concept of compounding. When you learn a new skill, it doesn't just sit there. It interacts with what you already know, enhancing your capabilities in ways you might not even anticipate. This is what we mean by exponential growth. If you master negotiation, for example, not only does it improve your salary, but it also enhances your ability to secure better deals in your personal life and investments. And here's the kicker. This isn't just theory. The data backs it up. The World Economic Forum's findings are a game changer. A 20–40% increase in earning potential is not just a number. It's a pathway to financial freedom. So, while traditional investments might seem enticing, remember that the greatest asset you have is the one sitting between your ears. It's time to invest in your brain and watch your wealth grow in ways the stock market simply can't compete with. Host. As we dive into the key cognitive skills that can elevate your financial standing, let's first acknowledge the changing landscape of work. In a world increasingly dominated by AI, the ability to think critically and creatively is becoming invaluable. Skills like analytical thinking enable you to assess market trends and make informed investment decisions. Meanwhile, creativity allows you to innovate and generate unique ideas that can lead to new business ventures. Problem-solving skills are crucial too, as they empower you to navigate challenges and seize opportunities in a rapidly evolving economy. By honing these cognitive abilities, you not only enhance your employability, but also position yourself to create multiple income streams, ensuring your financial resilience in the years to come. So, Let's explore how you can cultivate these essential skills for a prosperous future. On screen, bullet points with icons for each skill, plus quick stats like negotiation, plus 15% salary boost. Level this up by reading books like The Psychology of Money or taking free online courses on Khan Academy. Result: smarter investments, less debt, more savings. Next, we have critical thinking and decision-making. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about spotting opportunities others miss. Practice by analyzing news. Ask, what's the real story here? Elon Musk credits his success to first principles thinking. Break problems down to basics and rebuild. Apply this to your portfolio. Don't chase hype. Evaluate fundamentals. Moving on to adaptability and learning agility. The world changes fast. Think how remote work exploded post-2020. In 2026, with AI advancements, those who adapt thrive. Habit. Dedicate 30 minutes daily to learning something new via podcasts or apps like Duolingo for skills. Now let's talk about negotiation and communication. This skill alone can add 10 to 20% to your salary. Whether haggling a raise or closing a business deal, strong communicators win. Pro tip: role-play scenarios with a friend or use apps like Negotiate It. Finally, emotional intelligence, EQ. Money decisions are 80% emotional. High EQ helps you avoid impulse buys or panic selling stocks. Build it through mindfulness apps like Headspace. Calm mind equals smart money moves. Host. Imagine walking into a room filled with opportunity, where your ability to connect and communicate can set you apart. A study from LinkedIn in 2025 revealed that professionals with strong soft skills earn, on average, 15% more than their counterparts. This isn't just a statistic, it's a compelling reason to invest in your personal development. Think about it. Every conversation, every presentation, every negotiation is a chance to showcase your soft skills. By honing these abilities, you're not just enhancing your professional persona, you're also significantly increasing your earning potential. So, take the time to develop these skills, and watch as your net worth begins to soar. Transition. Soft music plays as we shift to a storytelling segment. The screen fills with stock footage of successful individuals engaging in networking events, leading meetings, and collaborating with teams, illustrating the power of soft skills in action. The scene transitions to a vibrant graphic displaying 5 daily habit icons arranged along a compounding timeline, illustrating how small, consistent deposits of effort can lead to significant growth over 5 years. The highlighted habits include daily reading and listening, represented by an open book and podcast earbuds, emphasizing the importance of consuming knowledge regularly. Next, deliberate practice is depicted through a screen showcasing a paper trading app, reminding viewers that honing skills through practice is key to mastery. Networking and mentorship are illustrated with LinkedIn logos and group chat bubbles, showcasing the power of connections in personal and professional growth. Reflection and iteration are visualized by a person journaling, reinforcing the value of assessing progress and making adjustments. Lastly, lifelong learning is represented by icons from Coursera and YouTube, encouraging viewers to embrace continuous education. The host engages the audience by demonstrating quick actions, like pulling out his phone to play a podcast episode and sharing relatable examples of how to seamlessly integrate these habits into everyday life, reminding everyone that just like Sarah's journey, consistent efforts in learning can yield exponential rewards. The screen transitions to a timeline graphic, illustrating how these habits can compound over 5 years, leading to a millionaire mindset. It all starts with habits that foster compound growth in your intellectual capital. Think of it like investing. Small, consistent deposits can yield massive returns over time. He gestures to the first habit. Habit 1. Daily reading or listening. Aim for just 20 pages of a book or 1 podcast episode each day. Books like Atomic Habits by James Clear show us how this can exponentially build our knowledge base. And for those interested in finance, I recommend starting with Rich Dad, Poor Dad, especially the updated version for 2026. The host moves to the next point. Habit 2. Deliberate practice. It's not enough to just consume information, you must apply it. If you're learning about investing, try paper trading stocks on platforms like Webull and keep a journal to track your progress. He pauses for emphasis. Habit 3. Networking and mentorship. Surrounding yourself with others accelerates your growth. Join online communities like Reddit's Our Personal Finance or LinkedIn groups. Seek out mentors. There are even virtual options through platforms like Mentor Crews. In today's fast-paced world, the value of skills often eclipses that of traditional investments. While stocks may fluctuate and real estate can be unpredictable, the knowledge and abilities you cultivate are assets that appreciate over time. Just as compound interest builds wealth, the investment in your skills compounds, leading to greater opportunities and enhanced earning potential. Unlike material investments, skills are portable. They travel with you, adapting to various industries and roles. In this section, we will explore how continuous learning and skill development not only provide a safety net in uncertain times but also position you for success in a rapidly evolving job market. By prioritizing skills over static investments, you create a dynamic portfolio that pays dividends throughout your career. Host. Let's dive deeper into why investing in skills outshines traditional assets. When you think about it, traditional investments like stocks require a significant upfront capital. Say, you put down $10,000. Over a decade with a 7% return, you might see that grow to $20,000. But what if I told you that investing in your skills requires zero upfront cash and offers infinite upside? Imagine dedicating time to learn coding or digital marketing for free. That could lead to a $100,000 job without spending a dime. Moreover, the beauty of skills is their versatility. They span across various industries, allowing you to pivot when the market takes a downturn. If one sector struggles, you can easily transition to another, minimizing your risk. And let's not forget about the tax advantages. Many education-related expenses can be deducted, making this investment even more appealing. Data supports this shift in perspective. A 2025 Brookings Institute study revealed that lifelong learners can earn up to 25% more over their careers compared to those who don't invest in their skills. That's not just a statistic, it's a pathway to real wealth creation. Cut to comparison table, skills versus stocks, highlighting the pros and cons of each investment strategy, showcasing the clear advantages of skill acquisition over traditional stock investments. So, as we wrap up today's discussion, remember this: your brain is an incredible asset. In a world where prices rise and fall, your knowledge and creativity remain inflation-proof. They are always accessible, ready to be tapped into at any moment. The more you learn, the more you grow, and the more resilient you become against life's challenges. So, invest in your mind, nurture your curiosity, and let your thoughts flourish. Together we can build a future that's not just about surviving, but thriving. Keep pushing forward and never underestimate the power of your own brain. We've covered a lot. To recap, your brain is your best asset because it's resilient, high ROI, and compounds through skills like financial literacy, critical thinking, and adaptability. Build habits like daily learning and reflection, and you'll outpace any market. Now for an action step. Pick one skill today, maybe negotiation, and spend 15 minutes practicing. Your future self will thank you for it. If this fired you up, comment below. What's one skill you're investing in this year? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on wealth building, passive income, and that essential money mindset. Thanks for watching Money Minutes. Let's build that wealth together. Like and subscribe for more good content like this.